Hey guys, today we are with a Dovo 41 Inox. So nice blade, it's a 5/8 and nice etching. I believe the scales are made of olive wood. Yeah, pretty razor, I have to say, quite nice. Usually not a big fan of Inox blade. I usually prefer the carbon steel ones, but let's see. So the previous owner asked me to, or the current owner asked me to review the edge, as he couldn't get a good shave with it. I can see that there was, looking at the edge here, there was few passes done with different stones, which is probably also the issue. So we're gonna start with the Shapton 1K, try to rebalance and recreate a proper edge. As usual, I will protect the spine with my Scotch 33 Plus, and I will put some Sharpie on the edge to see how flat or not is the blade. Okay, this side, little bit of Sharpie left in the middle. All right, so we have to work additionally in the middle part of the edge to have the stone, the blade touching the stone perfectly well all along the edge. So some back and forward on the stone. Let's see. It's going away, but not fully. So I'll probably need to apply slightly more pressure on a specific spot. Okay, we'll move to a different method. I will raise a slurry on the Shapton. I will ensure that the stone is perfectly flat. I believe it is, but just I can check again. And I will raise the slurry with a diamond stone, an Atoma 600. That is usually helping to recreate a nice edge. Okay. So some back and forward on a stone. And then our usual extras. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna clean the blade. Should be okay. The light beam is going through the edge. All right, let's have a look under the microscope. All right, it's a bit better. Still have some marks, but I guess they'll go away with the next stone. Okay, we're gonna rinse our Shapton 1K. Always clean your stone after using them. There's no need to leave old slurry or metal dust on it. Let's dry it. And now we're gonna move to the Shapton 5K. So we're gonna use the same method. We're gonna raise the slurry with the diamond stone, the Atoma 600 on it. Gonna do some small circle at first. And then move to the usual X strokes. Okay. Let's dry the blade. Have a look. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not bad. Looks pretty decent, pretty balanced. And now we're gonna move to the Nakayama Japanese natural stone LV5. So a very hard one. Gonna put a bit of water on it. And we're gonna use our first slurry stone, the Asano Nagura Tenju. So the Tenju is around 6,000-7,000 grit. So talking about raising slurry, I was watching a video recently and I saw the guy like really putting some strong pressure on the slurry stone. I would say try to avoid that. Try to not put almost any pressure, because if you put some pressure, too much pressure on the stone, it will crack. You will have some sandy bits in the slurry, and you might also scratch your base stone. So not only you will scratch your base stone, but when you will use the razor on it, you will scratch the edge with the little bits. So better smooth pressure to have a very nice slurry. Okay, let's have a look now. Yeah, you can see the magic of the Japanese stone now. Really well balanced, smooth edge. And now we can move to the next slurry stone. Oh, I forgot to tell you which one it is. It's the Asano Nagura Mejiro. And the Mejiro is around 8 to 9k grit. Again, no need to put too much pressure. Take your time. Raise a nice fine slurry. And if there are any small bits, remove them before putting the razor on it. Nice move, not too much pressure, there's no need. Flat on the stone. And you can watch the slurry move and see if your move is correct. So let's have a look under the microscope. Yeah, looks nice. Next one, so we're gonna rinse our stone. And it's gonna be the last Asano. It's an Asano Nagura Koma. So the Koma is on 10 to 12k grit. Really hard slurry stone. So again, take your time, no pressure, and raise a very fine slurry. That's it. If you're getting tired with one hand, you can use the other one to help you. At this stage, only the weight of the blade is enough as pressure. Alright, should be done. You can see the beam going through the edge nicely. Yeah, the edge is not bad. We're gonna move to our last slurry stone now. We're gonna stay with the Japanese natural stone, and that's gonna be Nakayama Kiita. So almost the same hardness as my base stone. So we're gonna get a very fine brown slurry. And the slurry should be around 15k grit. Okay, let's try the blade, have a look at the beam, and check under the microscope. Okay, it's not bad. It's not perfect. I can see, yeah, here some little mark still. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do exceptionally, I'm gonna use the diamond stone to raise the slurry directly on my Nakayama base stone. So that will be the finest slurry I can get here. Okay. Nice, smooth move, no pressure. Take your time. I'm gonna cut the slurry a bit with water. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now, I'm gonna rinse our stone, remove the tape from the spine, make sure to not cut yourself. Dry the blade. It's a nice looking razor. And now I've done 150-200 laps on my Kanayama strop, and we're gonna see how it reacts with the hanging hair test. not an easy hair to keep straight. So it's cutting the hair, all right. Not, I would say, not as easily as with a carbon steel blade, but yeah, it's not bad. I'm checking on the whole lens, and yeah, it's not too bad. So I then did a chef test with the combo, the fine l'orange noir, very good combo. To be honest, it's a chevrolet razor, but is it as smooth as a good carbon steel blade? No, not really. It's alright, it's not bad. What do you think, guys, about the Inox blade? Do you find them as good as the carbon steel? Let me know. Tell me in the comment what you think about them. For me, I still prefer the carbon steel. Hope you liked the video. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I would appreciate if you can do so. And until then, I'd say bye now. Take care.